Hello, my dear Amigurumi lovers. In this video, I will show you my crochet patterns that you can buy in my store or get by subscribing to my Patreon. I'll start with a bear with angel wings and a heart. Watch my channel for a free crochet heart tutorial. Next, I present to you bunny with carrots. Could be a great Easter gift. Free crochet tutorial for carrot look on my channel. And the last pattern is Superhero Pig. This Amigurumi pattern is available for my patrons at Super and Mega Support tiers. Any of these animals is perfect for a car mirror. All links in the description.